Hi, welcome to the time series forecasting course. Before we dive into any lessons, let's examine what exactly time series forecasting is. Well, to put it simply, time series forecasting is the use of a statistical model to predict future values based on past results. So what kinds of variables can we forecast? Any variable that can be tracked and collected over time. Think of annual population data, a company's daily stock price, or quarterly sales figures. For each of these examples, data is collected over time, and the time series model is simply using that data to forecast future values. During the course, we'll answer questions like, how do I define time? Or, what are trends? Not that kind of trend. And what are seasonal patterns? We'll also dig into how to use particular forecasting models like an exponential smoothing, or ETS, and an autoregressive integrated moving average, or ARIMA models. Along the way, we'll be working through a specific business problem in Alteryx Designer to examine these topics in more detail. Now, wait. Do you need to be an expert in Alteryx prior to this course? Not at all. Luckily, you've been working with our pros here at Alteryx in previous courses, and I'll help continue painting your analytical picture on the Designer canvas. But first, let's briefly look at where time series forecasting fits relative to other types of analysis. In the Problem Solving with Advanced Analytics course, you are introduced to a methodology map, which is used to determine which methodology is best for a particular analysis. So, with our business problem, we need to identify if we are doing data analysis or trying to predict an outcome. This one's easy. We're trying to predict future values based on past observations. Next, we'll continue along in the data-rich branch and into our numeric family of models. A time series will need a numeric variable that we'd like to predict. This is our target variable. And it also needs a time-based variable. Think about our examples: year-over-year population, a stock's daily closing price, and lastly, our quarterly sales figures. All of these are numeric variables. The data for these examples are collected by year, day, and quarter, respectively. So each observation has a time component to it. If the business problem involves predicting these values into the future, then time series forecasting models like ARIMA and ETS models will be most appropriate.